Anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over. I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone. It's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home. Your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember, you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's a word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
And welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tanishia, and I am here with another video. So before I get into this video, I really want to tell you guys, I know I've told you guys plenty of times before that I am not a color girl, but I decided to try something new, and I must say, I think I like it. So this is a wig from a company called Gorgius Wigs. Gorgius highlight bob. It's umbrella shaped. It's a lace frontal and it's supposed to be glueless, but as you saw, I did glue it down. Now I will let you guys know that this wig can be worn glueless. From the way they constructed this wig, really, really good. But I'm going somewhere and I don't want my wig to come off. So I did go with my boat hold and I glued it down a little bit just for a little temporary hold. But this wig is in the inch of 12. This is a 12-inch wig. You see the bob is bobbing. What I do want to let you guys know is that I barely did anything to this wig. When I say this wig came out as gorgeous as you see it here, she really came out this gorgeous. The only thing that I could do to this wig was reflat iron it from it being bent up in the box. I did try to go in and bleach my knots again, but they did not bleach and I was a little discouraged about that. But as you can see, it does not matter whether they are bleached or not. This hair turned out so gorgeous, so pretty. I am very impressed. I definitely recommend this wig. It is soft as ever for a colored wig. I would have thought that it would have came and been a little plasticky. Like when we were discussing this wig, I asked him like, is it gonna come just like that? Like I was so scared about this wig, and I can tell you guys that I am so impressed. The colors in this wig are a 4. I'm not sure if this is a 30, and then the 613. So it comes in 3 different, like the wig itself is 3 different colors, and I must say it is really working for this wig. It works. All of the whole link to this wig so you can go get this wig will be in my description box. I really don't have anything bad to say about this wig. Like, usually I have something bad to say. It is doing a little bit of shedding, if you can see that on my shirt, but I ain't even mad about it with it being a colored wig and it's shedded and it's not like coming out by the handful. So I'm really impressed with that as well. They really did their thing when they colored this wig, and they did their thing with this one. This wig is already pre-plucked, so I didn't have to pluck anything as well. Lifesaver. Didn't have to pluck anything. This is a 12 by 5 lace wig. Well, it has like a closure center. It's like a 12 by 5 closure part right in here. And then on your sides, you get at least 1 inch of space for customization, which you don't need because it's already pre-customized for you. So you don't have to customize anything. As far as this part, you can move this part over a little bit more if you want it more centered. I don't like my parts directly in the center because I just don't like it. This is a great dupe for you. It is more affordable than just going and getting the whole full lace wigs, which I know a lot of us love affordable things. So yes, this is more affordable than getting a 13 by 4, I would say. This is kind of like a 13 by 4, but it's technically not. I can't explain it. Like I said, it's kind of like a closure in here to give you enough parting space, and then it gives you just like a minimal room for customization to your hairline, which you won't need with this wig. It is so, look how silky this wig is. This wig is extremely silky and pretty. Even with the highlighted part, it is silky. Like, get into it. They did a really, really good job. I recommend this company, especially with this wig. Hopefully I'll be doing some more collabs with them so you guys can see more wigs and we can expand. We can expand our wig, what is it, portfolio, I guess we could say. We can order from more companies and do more things with more wigs, because I know y'all get tired of seeing me promote the same brand, but it's good. I'ma promote it. And this baby is a good wig. You can see how the bob is shaped. I wore a black turtleneck just so you guys can see. It does have plenty of body, plenty of love. And like I said, I did go back in and have to re-flat iron this wig because I attempted to bleach it and it didn't work. It does curl. You can curl this wig. You can flat iron it. The only thing I don't, like I said, the only thing I don't think you can do, which I tried it and maybe I just didn't wait too long because I was afraid, was bleach the knots on this wig. And again, as you can see, you really don't have to. So, with that being said, 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend this wig. Make sure you grab it. And again, all the links to this wig and to this company will be in my description box. Also, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the new companies that I come with, any of the old, any of my vlogs. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything and you can hop on some of these wigs, because from my understanding, wigs are getting sold out from every good company that you could possibly think of. So make sure you go grab this wig, and I will see you guys in the next video.